Hello, this is Rena, and in this video I'm going to show you a tip for writing straighter in your digital planner, and I'm also going to be giving away a freebie from our Facebook group. So to demonstrate how you would use this, so if you want to write in a straight line and you have difficulty doing that, you can import this sticker that I've made, which is essentially a lined grid. And once you import it onto the page, you can then drag the corners to make this larger or smaller, and then you can resize this narrower as well and wider. So depends on how you want your writing to look. And then you can just write over this. So if you can just zoom in and then write on it, it makes it a lot easier to write straight. You get the idea. And once you're done writing on it, and you can put stickers over the top as normal, all you have to do is tap on the image icon and then tap on the sticker and then just get rid of that, and then all of your writing will be straight. So if you want the freebie, just visit the Facebook group, and then I will share a link to download the images. So I'll be sharing 3 different images. So grid 1 is it has the darkest lines, and then grid 3 is the faintest. So depending on your preference, you can pick whichever one you want. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.